Okay, everybody, we're going to try something a little bit different because I have quite a bit of light coming in my windows. So we're going to do a daylight look. Alright, my face is all prepped. I want to try this Naked, Stay Naked foundation. First shot out the bow. Not so much. Tried it, took it off. But I think it's because I had too much base stuff on. So we're just going to give it another whirl. And we're going to use a beauty blender this time. I'm just going to dampen it a little bit with some toner spray from my Mario Badescu. And see how that goes for us. So today I worked like half the day and then my blood sugar went berserk and I had to come home and fix my pump because I had no pump supplies at work, which isn't poor planning, as my father would tell me. That is piss poor planning on your part, child. Yes, Papa, it is. We've just been crazy. No excuse. But it's just this whole COVID-19 virus. Everything changes every day. And yeah. So, I don't even know that I would consider this like a natural. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's not playing nicely. What do you think about that? Put a little bit on this beauty blender and try and fill in some spots where I think need to be filled in. We are going to put some concealer on. I do have the concealer. I just can't find it. And I have not tried it yet, so we'll do another video, obviously, where we're using this foundation and checking things out. But we're going to use my Born This Way Conceal and Sculpt. Actually, you know, it's not horrible. I don't know what my problem is. Just a little bit of this goes a long way. I don't like that whole, you know, let me make the under eyes white. And, you know, the big V, I mean, sometimes I do that, but not at a very light, a light concealer. So I'm going to put the Becca Under Eye Brightening Powder on just to set it in. I'm just using the butt of my my beauty blender. Oh shit. Hold on one second, guys. Sorry about that. My husband's checking on me. Telling me he's on his way home. And I will use this Ciate London Extraordinary Setting Powder to put on the rest of my face. Because I don't, this is drying down pretty good, but I'm still just not sure. So, and in a few minutes I'll use this to wipe off any excess, although I doubt I'll have any. So anyway, yes, the hubby's coming home. So we're just going to do a real quick touch up. So I'm going to go into my Charlotte Tilbury face palette. It's right here somewhere. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So I tend to use this for a bronzer. Obviously this is the blushes, and then I use this for a whatever you call it. I'm in a whatchamacallit moment. Okay, I'm going to use my Morphe Gunmetal to put my bronzer on. I swear to you, I feel like I have to buy the the light medium palettes from Charlotte Tilbury just don't seem to work for me. They're not very pigmented. So if you really want that pop of, I've got a bronzer on, this is not the right one. But it's all good. So this weekend we bought Little Towels a teething ring. She seems to like it. She's not chewing on us, which we seem to like. I'm going to go into this shade right here. Because, you know, we have to be done with this before the hubby gets home. Because he wants dedicated attention. Please! Attention, please. Attention, please. The king is in the castle. And then we're going to go in with that pinkish highlight. Just live it up. And we're going to go in with a really, really easy eye look. Put that on my brow bone. Okay. And that's the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Pretty Skin Palette. Have no idea where I got it. See how helpful I am? Okay, this is the LORAC Luxe Diamond palette. I picked this up, and that is what the inside looks like. Lots of shimmer. So I'm no kidding. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in light. Let me see what you look like. Ooh. What do you look like on the eyes? You look like nothing. This is the Radiant shade. And it actually isn't bad. You can hardly see it in the camera. I know. But it's beautiful. We may put some diamond around it too. The shade right next to it, the shade right here is called Diamond. Let's see what that looks like. That is going to be a little bit better probably. How's that? For what I'm trying to do anyways. And then I'm going to put a very light shade of matte on. We're going to use this one right here. And no kidding, this is like wham bam, put it on, we're out the door. Right? Tell ya. Oh my god, that had tons of kick up. It went everywhere. And you can see the powder going everywhere. And my gosh, it's like I cracked it. But I didn't. There's fallout on my face. We are actually just going to take that and go under the lashes for a little smoky. Smoky. Let's see if I have a brush here so we can go in like in my inner corner with something. But no. Let's see. What do you got? I'm just gonna go back into that diamond, which will make it'll always be a little bit lighter in your inner corner versus how it looks on the eye lid. All right, we are rocking it. We just need to do our brows and a little mascara, and we're done. We're done. That's right, we're done. I'm gonna go back in with this Kat Von D brow powder and get us a little bitty look going here. Yeah. I should have stayed home from work all day. I just didn't feel it when I woke up. I should have known something was going wrong with my insulin. My blood sugars just did not feel normal, and I put a new site in last night. It wasn't horrible last night, but I hadn't eaten because I came home at dark 30. It's a technical term for late as, you know what I mean, late as frick. So this morning when I ate oatmeal and a piece of fruit, it shot me through the roof. So the struggles of being on an insulin pump. Alrighty, now we're gonna put some brown gel on it. I swear to you, my husband comes home worrying the heck out of me today. He might get sent back to work. I don't think he worked today though. I think he's been at his parents doing some stuff with his sister. Yeah, that's what's going on. Alright, not that. I can't find my brow gel. I'm just gonna have to forego it today. This is one of those like powder finish lipsticks from MAC. It's amazing I can't find my brows. What in the world is going on? Yeah. Going to fire them. Oh, come on, man. It's amazing how much stuff I lose on my desk in just one day. Yeah. So, I really am not seeing that highlight on my face, which is irritating me. It's making me look flat, dull. We can't have that here. It's just not acceptable. It's not up to our standard. But I'm going in with my Mary Luminizer because I like to glow to the moon. That's probably wasn't working because I didn't use it. Big dummy. Not enough. The dogs are freaking out because I swear to God, they can smell my husband coming 5 miles away. And they know he'll be here soon and he will release all of the beasts and they will get on my nerves. I already got one loose. It's driving me crazy. He's gathering all the oven mitts from the kitchen. He does that. He doesn't tear them up. He just brings them all in from the kitchen. Hey! I say that. Hey! And then what's he doing? He's chewing on one of them. We have a new life here with Talia. It's made Butsy become a different dog, and losing our little Enzo and our Oko, that hasn't made it any easier for him. He's my good boy though. Alright everybody, so this is like pretty much a natural little look for me. Because, you know, I could be full glam in a hot second. But we're not. Okay, everybody, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so, so much. Mwah.